Hey New Yorkers, New Jerseyans, and passengers from around the world, welcome back to the platform. Today I have something very special for you, the much anticipated R21 money train, and of course the R15 number 9 subway train. So without further ado, let's unbox the money train first, see how it looks, and of course let's compare with the official photographs and all the sneak peeks we've got with Mr. Fei and Munipals early this year. This is incredibly interesting on the assessment of it, just the color itself. Compared to the turquoise's color we thought it's going to be, and we all saw the official photos and all the sneak peek exclusive videos, it's completely different. It's using back the same yellow that is on the work train set. In fact, the crew car is very similar, but this one of course have different features. If you look at the windows, of course those are windows with bars and everything else. This is the money train. The real money train has vault and the so-called tokens, the subway tokens that was used a long time ago, is on top of the money train logo rather than the MTA logo, because this is the money train after all. It's called money train for a reason. This train was built in 2025. So 2025. The front, on the other hand, it's been very, very simple, based on exactly the same, almost exactly the same as the design of the crew car, but you got the not in service destination plates, you got the express and local on the other side. The stripes, the warning stripes, both on the front and the back of the train. I mean, I realized that although it's like a B-car style, Munipals always have double-sided, except for Line and Railway and the F-slant trains. It's exactly the same. And of course, the middle door here is blocked compared to the work train set. The differences are very, very clear. The windows on the side are also blocked as well. As I said, it's because of the vault train. This is a vault train after all. And with the money train out of the way, it's time to unbox the R15 number 9 train. See how it looks. And here it is, the R15 number 9 train. The double circle doors, very famous indeed. You can always find them at the New York City Transit Museum. And because this is the nostalgia and the old series, in fact I've called it Platinum Mist, they call. You have the old MTA logo. Front, of course, the usual express and local signs, because 9 is an express train. Skip several stations along Manhattan. And of course you have the 2025 mark. It's made this year, brand new. The blue stripes, the blue panel stripes, both on the front and on the top as well. Number 9, 7th Avenue logo. And of course you have the number 9 logo on the side. One stripe less compared to the one on the front and on the other side. Overall, very, very nice finish. So there you have it. 2 money trains and 6 number 9 trains. As you can see, each and every one of them are beautifully finished. They all made in the same time era of the stamps. Lovely looking. Very sturdy as per usual when you hold it in your hand. The paint, I realize, is not as sparkly as the B division ones. Having said that though, the design for each and every one of them are very rigid. It's made to play in a safe way, of course. And you look at the magnets, all of them are fairly strong. And I just want to do a bit of a magnet test right after this. And they all made in the same era. All of them are very, very, very nicely finished. When it comes to wooden subway train, buses, and everything else in between, the magnets are very important. And of course, we're going to test it out today with a cushion right here to soften the blow. So first, we're going to put a money train on there, see how much it can hold by itself. So you have additional carriage, should be okay. Right, so 1 carriage is fine. What about 2? Can you take it? Oh! I don't think it can. Is it? Yes, it can't. So it's weaker on the money train. Maybe the carriages I got, but let's try this one for the sake of fairness. All right, 1 and 2. No, It can't. It can only hold up one, technically, if you put it on the upside down. But hey, money trains tend to run in pairs. That's according to history. So it shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. But of course, there's a weak one. What about number 9 train? How long and how much can it hold on for? So first, 1 carriage. Fine. What about 3? Okay, so it can hold on to 3. What about the last but not least 4? Oh, nope. So it can only hold on to 4 carriages if you include the first one. So the magnet itself is more stronger, way more stronger compared to the money train. But there you have it. And of course, there's no way we do not compare the money train against the R161 rider car, which is part of the work train set. Now, here's the thing. So they both have the same similar windows. In fact, you can almost say that they're copies of each other. You can almost say that except for the doors and, of course, the barred windows and the destination plates compared to R161. The tops, the front. If you look at the front closely, you can clearly see there's almost just a copy of each other, except for the destination plates. And last but not least, the bogie on the newer money train is definitely higher compared to the older Munipals. And of course, when it comes to the New York City subways, there are plenty of information and interesting facts. I'm not going to go through all of them. But it certainly gave me a lot of ideas as to what sort of combination I can do in the future. And of course, now with the 9 train, all the 1 lines, they will definitely go well with them in express or even stopping by. So without further ado, let's do a test run, see how they look. I hope you've enjoyed the unbox. In the meantime, don't forget to check out the latest Munipals subway and train run, where we feature the R15 9 train, the R21 money train, the R62 1 train, and of course, the P32 and M7 Metro North train sets. Then at 11:30, the real R62 1 train action at the end of the Bronx at Van Cortlandt Park, 242nd Street. See you at the platform.
Click here to watch the full episode now.